Today is a moment that will be eternally etched in your heart, for the celestial message your angel is conveying is of incomparable grandeur. Be ready to embark on an exciting and extraordinary journey, one that will take you to heights of growth and success that once seemed unreachable. It's as if the entire cosmos is conspiring to turn your dreams into reality, illuminating the path ahead with the light of the stars, showing you that you are loved and worthy of all the care of the universe. Are you ready to accept and receive with an open heart? Then, say yes and allow the magic to happen. Under the starry mantle of the night sky, where each celestial sparkle radiates with a unique intensity, and the moon stands as a faithful witness to the spectacle of emotions, your angel's message resonates with a grandeur that rivals the vastness of the cosmos. It is a revelation as deep as the universe's immensity. Someone you never even imagined, a precious gem hidden in the folds of destiny, longs to share the rest of this journey by your side. But it is not just that. This person wishes to dive headfirst into the experience of your life, surrounding you with all the love you have always desired. It is a commitment that transcends time, an eternal promise that shines like an unquenchable flame. The passion this person feels for you cannot be contained by mere words. It is a fire that consumes hearts and illuminates the darkest corners of the path toward eternal love. Before you, there stands a crossroads of immeasurable importance. The decision to embark on this relationship and weave this sweeping love story, capable of filling the gaps in your existential puzzle, is like finding the ultimate piece to complete the picture and restart the game of life beside the right person, uniting destinies indelibly. This choice, without a shadow of a doubt, ranks among the most crucial you will face throughout your earthly journey. It requires not only deep reflection but also an incursion into the most intimate recesses of your soul, as if you were deciphering the universe's most primordial enigmas. The one who proposes to share life with you has not only chosen to walk beside you, but also desires to be the guiding star that casts light on the path of this journey called life, outlining a shared destiny marked by the light of affection and companionship. The duality of having two paths before you, both representing situations of profound importance and capable of fostering deep transformations in your life, can be perceived as a challenge of cosmic proportions. The feeling of standing at a crossroads, with both options yearning to share eternity by your side, can generate a storm of emotions in your heart, where anxiety and anguish intertwine like tumultuous waves threatening to flood your soul. However, amid this emotional storm, it is crucial to remember that you do not have absolute control over another person's feelings. It is not your responsibility to force yourself to love someone simply because they yearn for you, for true love cannot be coerced. It is a spontaneous gift that springs from the innermost being. At life's crossroads, where destiny forks and horizons expand, the most important thing is to discern with wisdom and courage which direction will lead to your genuine and full happiness. At this crucial moment, amid the whirlwind of emotions and expectations, it is time to dive deeply into the core of your feelings, free from fears and apprehensions, and make a decision that resonates with your most authentic essence. You hold the power of choice, an inalienable freedom that allows you to chart the course of your romantic destiny. However, remember, love transcends mere emotional experience. It is a journey of conscious commitment that shapes not only your own destiny but also that of those intertwined in the fabric of your existence. Therefore, each decision should be made with due awareness and responsibility, for from it emanates the ramifications that will echo through time. As you make your choice, let yourself be guided by the symphony of your heart, by the rhythm that echoes in unison with your soul. Choose the person whose presence makes your heart dance with joy, someone with whom you envision not only sharing the fleeting moments of the present, but also building a future filled with shared dreams and mutual achievements. Beyond physical attraction, which, while relevant, should not be the sole criterion, consider also the emotional harmony and values you share, for as the saying goes, can two walk together unless they agree? This is a crucial point that deserves your most careful attention. Trust, firm as the foundation of a solid building, is the vital element of any lasting relationship. Therefore, choose someone in whom you can place your complete trust, someone who not only warms your heart but is also worthy of your deepest trust, someone you can rely on not only with your love but also with your life. For it is in the careful and conscious choice of a partner that lies the key to building a full and lasting romantic future, where the foundations of affection and trust support the home of shared happiness. Understand that the love someone has for you, however intense and genuine it may be, does not by itself guarantee that this person is the right choice for your destiny. It is not just about accepting any companion for the journey, but about carefully discerning who deserves to occupy such a significant place in your life. The foundations of lasting relationships go beyond the waves of love that permeate the heart. They are built on the solid foundation of harmonious goals, visions of the future, and shared life values, essential elements that provide support and depth to this new connection. Your soulmate is not just someone who fills the empty spaces in your existence, but also someone who understands and respects your deepest aspirations. It is someone who not only walks by your side, but also propels you to reach the highest heights of self-knowledge and personal growth. It is a partner who, instead of limiting your ambitions, nurtures and strengthens them, enabling you to bloom and become the best version of yourself. Although this crossroads may, at first glance, seem like a storm of emotions that threatens to unsettle even the most resilient hearts, it is imperative that you open yourself up to the possibility of a frank and sincere conversation with this person who occupies such a significant place in your life. It is time to shed social masks, abandon pretensions, and dive deeply into the truth of what you feel. Be honest with yourself and the other, for honesty is the foundation upon which mutual trust is built, essential for any lasting and meaningful relationship. Even if the outcome of this conversation does not precisely match your most intimate expectations, know that clarity and transparency are the pillars upon which the most authentic and profound bonds are built. In unfolding this dialogue, allow yourself to flow with the current of words without clinging to preconceived expectations or selfish desires. This is the moment to listen with an open heart, to capture not only the words that echo in the air, but also the soul's subtle vibrations. For deep within your being lies the answer you seek, guided by the soft whisper of your intuition and the rhythmic pulse of your most primal instinct. Remember that the decision at this crossroads is not just a momentary choice, but a journey that will shape the contours of your existence forever. It is a path that unfolds before you, whose ramifications will echo through time. Therefore, immerse yourself in this process of choice with the wisdom that only time and experience can grant. Let the light of your intuition guide your steps, illuminating the way toward the decision that resonates with the deepest truth of your being. The right choice, one made with discernment and clarity of purpose, will bring with it a partner who not only loves you but also envelopes you with unwavering dedication. This will be someone who will not hesitate to stand by your side in times of tribulation, whose support will be the shield that protects you from life's storms. In moments of celebration, this companion will be there to share your joy, multiplying it with shared smiles and warm embraces. More than that, they will make you feel truly valued and loved, like a precious jewel in their heart. This is the kind of partner whose support is like a shining beacon, guiding you through the turbulent waters of existence toward the safe shore of your dreams and highest aspirations. Whether in the pursuit of professional success, the realization of personal goals, or the simple journey of self-discovery, this companion will be by your side, lifting you when necessary, encouraging you when disheartened, and celebrating every achievement with you. With them, you not only share life but build a legacy of love, companionship, and fulfillment that transcends the limits of time and space. So choose with a light heart, confident that the right partner awaits you at the end of this journey of discovery and authenticity. The ideal partner is not just someone who shares your moments of happiness, but also someone who is by your side in moments of vulnerability when you need to strip away social masks and reveal your true essence. It is someone with whom you can be completely authentic, without fearing rejection or judgment. In the depths of this relationship, you find a safe harbor where your soul can anchor, a sacred space where every sigh, every laugh, and every tear is embraced with understanding and unconditional love. In this communion of souls, you discover that true intimacy does not reside solely in physical proximity, but in the emotional and spiritual connection that transcends the limits of time and space. It is a delicate dance of mutual trust and unconditional acceptance, where each one reveals themselves to the other without reservations, finding in each other's arms the comfort and security that only true love can provide. By sharing your deepest dreams, your most fervent hopes, and your darkest fears, you encounter a powerful truth. Vulnerability is not a sign of weakness but a sublime expression of courage and authenticity. It is in moments when you allow yourself to be completely transparent, without masks or artifice, that the true essence of your being shines with incomparable intensity. It is through these moments of radical honesty that the foundations of your relationship are established, transforming it into an impregnable fortress against the vicissitudes of existence. In these moments of profound connection, you and your partner find yourselves at the epicenter of a celestial dance, where every word, every look, and every touch is imbued with meaning and purpose. It is a journey of mutual discovery, where the superficial layers are peeled away to reveal the intrinsic beauty and complexity of each soul. It is in this space of surrender and acceptance that the bonds of love are strengthened, intertwining indissolubly and standing the test of time. Therefore, in this transcendent moment of your life, When the stars seem to align in your favor, claim this choice with all the conviction that dwells in your core. Let the certainty of your heart guide your steps, leading you to the arms of the one who understands your deepest essence and loves you unconditionally. For it is in mutual acceptance, shared vulnerability, and mutual trust that the true essence of enduring and meaningful love resides. May every step taken on this journey be filled with courage and determination, for you deserve a love that transcends the limitations of time and space, a love that is as eternal as the universe itself. So rise with the conviction that by choosing to follow the call of your heart, you are charting the course for a life filled with love, happiness, and complete fulfillment. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type "I accept my destiny and all the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and the blessings contained within it for yourself. Let's spread positivity and kindness to each other, creating waves of good energy together. Did you know there is a possible image of your soulmate that you can see right now? It could be someone you know or someone you have yet to meet. Click the link in the description to get the portrait of your soulmate. Let's lift each other and create waves of good energy together. Stay tuned for the next important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.